name is Dominique LaShae. If y'all don't know me, y'all, it's 2023. What's up? You should know me. If you don't know me in 2023, you gonna get to know me. But shout out to LA Grace Hair for sponsoring this video, y'all. They reached out to me and asked me to do a ponytail video. Come on in. Who you know is the best? Who you know is the queen of the ponytails? I'll wait me. Stop playing. So this is the 24-inch natural straight hair ponytail. So y'all want to see how I get this look? If you want to see how I get the edges, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so as y'all see, my hair in a ponytail already. I didn't film this and it's freshly washed. Look at that. First of all, my ponytail getting long. I didn't film me putting my hair in a ponytail because I'm assuming, y'all, it's 2023. Y'all should know how to put y'all hair in a ponytail. But I've been getting a lot of comments. I'm gonna do this in top. I've been getting a lot of comments of people telling me to do how do I get my edges, and so I'm gonna show you guys. I'm using Ebony 24-hour edge control, so it's easy. So you gonna use the edge brush, just put it. I ain't gonna lie, I need my glasses on because my edges gotta be on fleek. And you just basically, you gonna swerve from the middle. It's weird, but I like doing edges on like old hair, like not freshly washed hair. But you just swerving. I just keep swerving to that's how I want it. To make sure that's how I want it. And I'm using my hand to lay it down as I go. If you can see like where it's curving it, that's where you're making the party. Like right here where it's naturally curling it. I'm trying to talk into it. But curl it, that's when you make the part. And just pull it on down. This one I like doing it on freshly washed hair because it moves so easily. And my hair be so curly when it's freshly washed. I think that's too big. I'm gonna do it right there. And I like real straight parts. That's why y'all keep seeing me do that, because I be wanting my parts like straight. Let me wipe these glasses off. You can barely see. Then you just pushing all that back. Make you wanna change your scene. Okay, and then again, you see where it's naturally swooping at? That's where your part goes. Yes, I use a lot of edge control because I be needing my edges to last for 24 hours, so don't come for me. But you swooping. See that natural swoop? Natural swoop. If it's too big, if you want a lot of them, you can always go back. But this is where we swooping it. Then you pulling down. Natural swooping it, pulling it down. See us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby. See, when it's freshly washed, you be trying to curl back up. I'm very precise on my edges, so it takes me a minute to do mine. So you just pulling up. You saw the best in me. And just pulling. Okay, y'all, do not forget, I don't do all that little stuff right there. I just take a little on my brush and just push that back. And that there is how you get some good old edges. Next side is very much easy. Once you get the hang of this, you can roll. You can pretty much roll with it. See us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make it my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that could take your spot, my love. And again, you just taking this up within the swoop and pushing that back. And then, since my hair is freshly washed, because I don't need it to be curling up on me, I use the back of it and get a little stuff on her, you know what I'm saying? Go in on the hair just to help her out. Babe, I'm the queen of edges. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. We just making the foundation for our ponytail. Where'd you go? I don't know why my eyes get big when I be doing stuff like this, but it do so. Do not forget to lay your neck. I don't need no nappy necks. Lay that neck down. We We're gonna go in with the scarf. We're gonna leave this on for about, let's say, 10 minutes. About 10 minutes. I'm gonna go clean my forehead up because, baby, I use a lot of edge control. So, yeah. We're gonna be back. And why I'm talking like this. But guess what, y'all? It's 2023. This your girl first video. And I'm dropping with a sponsorship. Yeah, okay, y'all. So this is the ponytail. And again, if I ain't said it, shout out to Allie Grace hair. But this is a 24-inch straight ponytail. And then it's like a, I guess you can call it a wraparound or a Velcro. Because as you see, it has a little Velcro right here. And then it got one, what you call this? One hook in the back. So you just gonna hook that around. Where we hooking it, and then we taking this little part right here, and we just wrapping it around. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. Quit playing. Only thing, y'all, I don't like is I wish it had a hook at the bottom to really mold it around your hair. But this is so loud. She must not know where I'm recording. But that's the only thing I don't like. And then I wish it was more hair on the wraparound part. But y'all already know if when I play around with it and wear it a little more, I'm gonna figure it out. But thanks to Allie Grace Hair for sponsoring this video. I hope y'all like this video. I hope y'all like this style. Hey, stop playing with it. Yeah, get into it. Yeah, y'all already know how we doing it. It's 2023.